Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and on this guide I'm going to show you how to edit your meta description and your meta keywords on WordPress. Okay, so in order to be able to edit your meta description, HTML tag, and also the keywords meta tag, you have to download the plugin. It's called Yoast SEO. You go to add a new plugin right here down on plugins, and right here the Yoast SEO keyword. There you need to install it right now and activate the plugin. After that, you can see on the pages that you can edit each page. Let's say for example this one, I edit it, and down here you can edit the focus key phrase, which is custom handmade holiday packages. Down here you have the meta description, meta tag. Of course you can use the AI to help you right here, but you have to download the premium. But let's see how it looks like on the search engine. If I search the exact title to see the page on Google with the name of the website, let's say for an example, I write it right here, and I can see that this is my page that is indexed in Google, and down here you have the meta description. This is why you need to edit your meta description, because it has a lot of space on Google search. So Google chose whatever he wants to put on my meta description tag to show and display on the search page. So what I need to do is actually just decide myself and copy paste whatever I want to put. Let's say for example this exact title. I just copy it and paste it right here, and keep it green, of course. And also remember that you need to have the focus key phrase on your meta description, so it will be much easier for Google to understand what the page is talking about. Let's say for an example right here it's okay, it's written, and I can give another call to action phrase. Let's say for an example, click here to get yours, and a little sign to say for the users go inside this page. After that I update, of course, and it will take a few days for Google to index this page again and scan the meta description, so this will be changed for the exact page. This is why it's important to put your meta description with your key phrase for the exact description that you want for Google to scan on your page and to display it on Google search. This is how we do it. So it's very easy to use Yoast SEO to edit your meta description and your meta keywords on WordPress. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below and I will comment. And on the first comment I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.